Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to work on this vehicle that has a signal problem. Whenever I turn my signal switch to the right hand side, it blinks correctly, but when I turn the switch to the left hand side, it blinks very fast. So I want to check what exactly is the problem. So firstly, I go out there of the vehicle to check the left hand side trafficator. You can see the side mirror works, the front trafficator left side works. Then let's see what happens at the back. So right now I'm going to the back to see if the back side is working. Now as you can see, the back trafficator left hand side does not work, and I believe that is the reason why the trafficator on the dash is blinking very fast. So let's see. We're going to get a bulb and I'm going to change the bulb right away. Okay, now I have opened the now let me go to the back and pull out the bulb, so I'll replace it with another bulb. Okay, now I have to pull out the bulb. Now I'll turn it to the left hand side and it's out. This is it. So I'll reach out for a same type of bulb, which is this same one single point colored bulb, and this is it. So I have to replace it with this bulb, and let's see if it works, and let's see if on the dashboard it's going to blink as normal as it should be. Okay, now it is working. Okay, I'm going to fix the bulb back. Now it is working. Okay, then I'll put it and turn it to the right hand side, that is clockwise. Okay, now I will have to go to the front, that is look at the dashboard if the signal light is going to blink as normal as it should be. Okay, now you can see it is blinking in the right way it should be. So originally what we have in it was a faulty bulb, so that has solved the issue of the trafficator lights blinking very fast on one side. So if you're watching me for the very first time, please comment, please like, and please subscribe for more auto tips. Thanks for watching.